fun. Do you like it?
Hmm?
Do you like this?
It's very fun.
Well, there's a bunch of sand in my shoe.
Auntie, the pirates live here.
I don't know about that. It's just called Pirates Cove.
Okay.
Cheese.
Let's go, you guys.
No.
A little bit sunny. Can we go?
Right.
Go
Ooh,
down?
look at how beautiful it is right there. Look how blue the water is.
Can we go in the water?
This is the cave, guys.
Let's go, Nathan. Climb down here. Wait, let me take a
That's the
picture of
bird's
this
nest.
view. This is a great view.
That's the inside of the cave.
Oh,
We just climbed in here.
No, not yet.
Pretty
Wow.
neato.
Eddie,
Oh, look, you guys. Oh,
where?
dolphin. Watch. He just
I
jumped.
see it. I see the fin. I saw the fin. I saw the fin. I wish you guys could have seen that. I saw the fin.